Hey guys, it's Emily. Sorry if I look kind of crazy. I just got off the walk and it's dark outside, so sorry about the lighting. But I got a package from Urban Outfitters today. I was actually expecting this until Monday, so it came early and this was on my bed and I was really surprised and excited. So I'm gonna open it from you guys. It's just a show, but I decided to do a fun unboxing video because I know you guys like when I do those. So yeah, and I never really order stuff from Urban Outfitters. I did shop there like 2 times, but I ordered this offline because I don't have one that is close to me. So yeah, so this is the cute packaging. Sorry, my hood. Okay, I had to fix my hood. It was bothering me. So this is just a little receipt thing. And then here is the show. And it's actually like really nice. So this is the show. I will undo so you guys can see it. Here it is. It says Puerto Rico. And then this is what it is on the back. So they had this, and this was like about $30. And they had this show. They have other shows. They have one for Texas, for Florida. Of course, this one, when they had natural disasters, as you know, Puerto Rico had a bad, I think it was like hurricane, I think it was. But yeah, they had a natural disaster, and like Urban Outfitters made shirts so like they could sell and they could donate. So I think that's super cool, and I got one, and I mean this helps the cause, but I also got it because my boyfriend is from Puerto Rico. That's where he grew up. So yeah, I think it would be really cool to have a shirt that said that. It looks actually kind of big, so I think it's gonna be big on me. I ordered a medium, and I kind of felt like I should have ordered a small because I don't really know those sizes, because I think they run in smalls. But yeah, and the color, I'm not really too crazy about this tan color. I wish I was right. And online it looked like it was more on the white side, so it kind of sucks, but I think it's still a pretty cool show. I'm gonna go try it on now and show you guys what it looks like on me. So this is what the shirt looks like on me. As you can tell, it is pretty big on me. I should have definitely ordered a medium. Well, I should have ordered a small. This is a medium. But I probably would just like take a hair tie and just tie it on the side, because that's what I usually do when shirts are pretty long. But yeah, I don't want to risk trying to cut it into like a cute, you know, kind of like, not crop top, but like, you know what I mean, like get all the exo clothing out of the way. But I don't want to risk doing that, so I'm just gonna do that with a hair tie. And this is what it looks like on the website. As you can tell, it does look tan, but it looks more as a like whiter tan, so that's what I was more talking about when I said that. But yeah, I still really like this. It's super cute. This is the back, so pretty cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.